What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Reggie, Beatz, the IT producer guy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a bid selling website with WordPress and Woo Commerce. I'm sure you've probably seen my previous video because a lot of you guys liked it, where I made a tutorial on how to make a bid selling website with WordPress and Beatz. So on that specific video, we use WordPress just to design the website, and then we use Beatz to sell beats. So we use the beat store from Beatz and put it on the website. But on this website, we're gonna do everything from scratch. So we'll design with WordPress and also sell beats through WordPress. So if you're new to my channel, please click the sub button because I'll be giving you guys more information on how you can integrate IT into your bid selling business, and so you can make more sales, because I'm a qualified IT professional and I'm also dope as beat maker who's been selling beats online for some time now. So hit that sub button, let's get it. Okay, so let's get started. Right now in front of me, I'm on my WordPress dashboard panel, which is the admin side where I'm gonna be uploading beats also and designing. So only I have this access, and here's my domain here, example.reggiebeatz.com, and you can also choose any domain based on maybe your producer name, and the video about that is also on the description below, which is how to set up WordPress hosting and domain. Okay, cool. So first thing first, we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to appearance and themes, because we want to upload a theme. WordPress works with themes and they have a lot of nice free themes. So let's start with that, so we don't have to do a lot of designing. So I'm gonna go to themes and I'm looking for a theme that is called Crystal Shop. It's Crystal. Yes, Crystal Shop. There's the theme, and I'm gonna smash install. So once it's done, you're gonna click on activate. Okay, and now it will bring you to this window here where it says this theme recommends the following background, blah 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 blah. Install all of this. Just say begin installing plugins, because if you don't install these plugins, your theme is not gonna work. So just click on it and hit begin install. So just select all of them there and say install and smash apply, and just be a bit patient because it might take like 2 minutes, because installing all 5 plugins. Okay, so once it's done, it will say all installation have been completed, and then just click return to required plugin installer to see if there's any more plugins left. Now you can see all plugins have been installed, it just need to be activated. So select all plugins again, click there, and then select activate, hit apply. Okay, now all plugins have been activated, so you can just okay, cool. Now we have all the plugins installed. Just go to dashboard again just to see if there's any more plugins outstanding, but we're all good. So now let's quickly jump to pages. So let's create a page. And we're gonna call this page home. And here where it says start writing, we're gonna click there, and you'll see that there will be a plus sign on the right. Click on the plus sign, search for a blog, select search for products, because that's where we want to show the products, the beats. So just say products by let's say newest products, and then it's gonna ask you how many columns we're gonna make it have 5 columns. Okay, so we can also add on the plus again just to add like a title. So just search heading and then click on it, and then you can type latest beats. So we can just change the H2 to make it a bit smaller, change the heading to H5. So let's click on this up arrow so this latest beats can be above the beats. So you click on the up arrow, and there it goes, and then you publish it. Okay, cool. So now since this is done, you're gonna click on the W. Now we're gonna actually go into the site and see how it's looking like. So let's go all the way to appearance and select customize. Okay, so currently it's still a bit blank because we haven't done any editing to it. So let's go to site identity, which is the second menu there. So here type in the name of your website, and here you put in a tagline like #1 trap beats in the world. So if you have a logo, you can just select it and add it here, and if you want to add a site favicon, you can just click on select site icon. And now you can go back and let's scroll all the way down to homepage settings. So here we're gonna change our homepage settings because currently our homepage is showing blogs, and we don't wanna be doing blogs, we wanna be selling beats, we wanna be making money. So now select a static page, and where it says home page, you're gonna select the page you created, which is called home. Then you're gonna hit publish. Okay, now it's all saved, it's published. You see now it says latest beats, you can see, but it doesn't show anything yet because we haven't added the beats. So let's go back now, let's start making it look more nicer. So now let's go all the way to general settings. So now we gotta change the background here and just make this look a bit more nicer and more producer, related. So people, when they come in, they can see this is a beat selling website. So here on the side, you have all these options here. So you can either have a background as a color or a background as an image. But I'm gonna add an image because image gives more life. So I'm gonna go to image, and there's this picture that I like using. Okay, then select choose image. Now you will see my background will start looking more cooler now. There we go. You see now it's looking super nice. It's looking a bit more dark, like a beat selling website. So I think I'm good with my background. So here on the text, I'll just put what everybody put on the beat making sites. Buy 2 get 1 free. Okay, there you go, that's it. And then the subheading, I'll just say #1 beat selling website in the world. So this text didn't change yet, so just click on publish, and then you can refresh it. Okay, now you can see it has changed. Sometimes it does that. I guess it's a bug, but that's not gonna stop us. So let's get back to general settings again. So now let's select text for our button. So there's a button here. So we can just either say listen to beats. There we go, listen to beats. Here's the button, listen to beats, and the URL will just put it after, and the URL that we're gonna put here, it will just lead us down to the beats here, so we'll just come back here later, and then this is how it looks right now. Then you can click publish. So as you can see, we get in there, it's actually starting to look like something. So now we just click on the X. Let's go back to the home page and click edit. And then go to latest beats and go to advanced. So here where it says HTML anchor, just type beats so you can be able to link this to the menu. When you click on listen to beats, you should be able to find these beats here. So we'll come to the latest beats and then click update. Then click on the WordPress. Let's go back to customize. Then let's go back to general settings again. And then let's go back to the button. Here where it says listen to beats, you can just, here where it says URL button, you can just type in that hash beats. So if you want to put 2 buttons, then you can put another one maybe where it says sound kits. You can put sound kits here. If you're gonna put your sound kit somewhere on the same page, and you can just put the link for it as well, but for now we'll just put one where it says listen to Beatz. Then we're gonna publish it, you're gonna close it. Now let's actually view how the site is looking. Go to the name of the site and say visit site, and just refresh. You see now it's looking like this, and if you click here, okay, you'll see now when I click listen to Beatz, it goes down here to Beatz, which is what we wanted. So now the design is actually kind of done. All you have to do now is just to add some beats now. So we need to add some beats, so you can see here in which you're going to be using the WooCommerce plugin. So let's go back to dashboard, and we have to go to WooCommerce so we can actually set up the WooCommerce plugin, because we need to put in our payment details and everything, because we're going to be selling these beats and the money will be coming directly to your account. So you need to enter your business information and all the needed information. So I'm gonna enter my details, and then I'm gonna enter my address, my country, South Africa. And so now I need to scroll all the way down to South Africa and find there's South Africa. Gauteng is my province. Then continue. No thanks. Okay, and then which industry does my store operate? Well, I think it will be, well, just say other and then say Beat store. Okay, so what type of products will be listed? Will be downloads, because mostly when they buy Beatz, we just give them downloads, which is perfect because we don't need to pay for anything on this WooCommerce plugin. Then let's continue. Then how many products you plan to display? Well, you can say around 1,000 plus, because you know you planning to go as big as possible and currently selling anywhere. You can just say no so they don't ask you too many questions. And then add recommended business features to my site. You can just uncheck that, continue. And then here it says choose theme in which you want to activate this WooCommerce. Say continue with my active theme. Okay, cool. Now the WooCommerce store is set. Now the next step is to add our products, which is our beats, you know. So our beats will be added as products, but then before we add the products, we actually need to create our variants, because we're not gonna be selling simple products. We'll be selling beats with different licenses like MP3 lease, wave lease, exclusive, you know. So we must first create those variants first before we can add our products. So let's do that right now. So we're gonna go to products and go to attributes. On the left side, product attributes. So here we're gonna create a new attribute, which is gonna be license type. You know, just type license type, and the slug you can just be license type as well. Then you're gonna say add attribute. So now inside license type, you're gonna click configure items. So in here, that's when you're gonna add the items. You're gonna add MP3, I think we'll add MP3, wave lease, and unlimited lease. So here we're gonna say MP3 lease. So we can add the description later. For now, we're just focusing on making the site. We're gonna add another license, which is the wave lease, and then put the wave lease, add new license type again. We'll add 3. Last one is the unlimited lease. If you want to add exclusive leads, you can add it too, but we just end with 3 just for this demonstration purpose. Then we click add. So now we have all this set up. Now we can actually go and add our products. So how do we add the products? Just go to all products just to see if you have any products that came with the theme, so we can remove them. Okay, there's nothing yet, so you're gonna click on create product or add new product. So the products are gonna be your beats, you know. So let's say maybe I'm making a Young Thug type beat. So I'll say Young Thug type beat 2021, and the name of the beat is Slime. Okay, cool. So now I have the name of the beat there. This is the URL. The category, I'll create a category. I'm gonna put it in the parent category, which will be hip hop. Add category. Then I'm gonna add a subcategory, which is trap. But I'm gonna add the trap category inside the hip hop category. And here I type trap. So as you can see, it's inside both of these categories. So here is the description of the the beat. So you can maybe describe it like the BPM of the beat is like let's say maybe name of beat, and then here we'll say key produced by, and then here we can say tempo. So then the name, I'll just copy this one and just put it here, just paste it right here. The key could be C minor, produced by Reggie Beatz, tempo say 150 BPM. That's the description. So now you're going to select the pricing. Remember the pricing we created? So you're gonna select viable product. That's the only way to make it work. And then you're gonna go to attributes and you select, here it says custom attributes. You select license type, then you click add. Now you click on select items, and then you'll see MP3 list will pop up, wave list will pop up, unlimited list will pop up. Now you have them all selected, and then select use for variants because we want to use them for our product variants. Click there and then save attributes. Okay, now we come to variation, and when you click on add a variation and you say create a variation from all attributes and click go, and it's gonna warn you that's gonna create all this. Just click OK. So you only create this once because you will just be duplicating when you make a new beat. So this is just like a first off step, and then once you make new beats we'll just duplicate, and I'll show you that as well. Okay, click OK. Okay, now we can see all these variations now, and we're gonna add the prices for the MP3 list, wave list, and unlimited list. So you click on wave list and select downloadable because it's a file that needs to be downloadable, and then the regular price, let's say, is 30 rands for now because I'm in South Africa, but you can make it $30 anywhere you are. So here where it says file, we'll just wait for now, we'll just upload the files later. Then let's go to unlimited as well, and then you give it the price, which is $100, $100 whatever it is, and then click downloadable as well. Go to wave, make 30, and also make it downloadable, then click save. So now the prices of this beat are here, but then the files are not there. So this WooCommerce is a function here to upload beats. You see it says file, but every time I upload here, like the files always become unusable. So I like to go to media, and then I go to library. The beat that I'm gonna be uploading is called Goat, and as you can see I already have the tagged MP3 uploaded and the zip and the wave. So now I just need to add the MP3, the untagged MP3. So I'm gonna click upload, and then I'm gonna go look for the untagged MP3 for Goat. Let me just search for it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna upload that. Okay, so I have all of my files uploaded, so I'm gonna go back to products, all products, and I'm gonna click edit because I want to edit this product so I can add the files. Then I'm gonna go back again to variants where I was, variants, MP3 list. I'm gonna click add file, choose a file, go to media library, and then there's MP3. I select the MP3 and I can just type MP3. So for unlimited leads, we're gonna provide MP3 wave. We're gonna provide all of them, MP3 wave and trackouts. So I'm gonna click add 3 files. This one will be the MP3. This one will be wave. This one will be trackouts. I always make a spelling error when I'm typing. And then I'm gonna click at the MP3, at the wave, which is here, go to wave, at the trackouts, which is here, go to zip. Then now we go to the wave list. The wave list only has 2 files, which is there, but the wave list must be $50. And then it must have 2 files, which is the MP3, and the wave. So I'm gonna choose file again, go to MP3, and then select here, go to wave. Okay, there we go. Now we have all the files in here. Everything is all good. Then we just need to add a picture of the beat. So I'll just look for a picture. So you must just click on select product picture, not on the product gallery, but click on set product image. Then I'm gonna go look for any type beat image that I have, which I'm looking for Young Thug, and here's Young Thug here, as I can see. Now and then I upload that. Set product image. Okay, I'm gonna click publish. Then I'm gonna click preview to see how the product is looking like. Okay, there we go. Here's the product there, and then you can choose the MP3 leads, you can choose the unlimited leads or a wave leads, and you can see the price are changing. That's good. So let me go to the home page. Okay, now we're at the home page, and as you can see, here's the beat that we've added, the Young Thug type beat slime. And here when you click select options, it will take you to select whether you want MP3, wave, or exclusive, because we set it up. See, there it goes. See, then you can just add it to cart, but then we'll go back there later. So okay, now we're gonna go back to the beats, to the home page, and as you can see, it's not looking as great because it's hard to read, and the background is too wide. We want to make the background dark so it can look like a beat selling website, because it's music and it's hip-hop. So I have a code that I've created so that can change this whole site and make it a nice dark website. So I'll give you that code for free. The link of the code is in the description below, and here is the link. I already have my link open, so all I gotta do is so once you open the page, it says beat selling website WordPress snippets. So you're gonna copy this code all the way from body, select it all the way. Let me just go back again, click select, scroll down all the way to here, right click copy. Make sure you copy everything. Then you come back to home, then select customize. Then you scroll down to additional CSS, and now look at the magic that's gonna happen. So now you gotta paste that code in here. Click paste. Look at this, it looks way better. It's just that this is still black, but I'm gonna change that now. But now look at it looks like a beat selling website. This is nice. Round of applause to us and to you too if you're doing it right now. So just click publish. So now we have to go change the text to white. So let's just go back, click the X. Oh snap, we're supposed to just click the customize again. So click customize. Then you're gonna scroll down here. So let's go to color settings. So let's make all these colors white. Let's see, there is it. So the hover color, this is the color of when you're hovering the link. We can make that maybe yellow. Let's see. Or you can make it any color you want. I'll just make it yellow or purple, since we're dealing with purple here. You can just make it purple. Then that's it. So now you see there's a beat there. You can click on select options, but then now we want to change this select options here, so you can say add to cart. So that's what we're gonna do next. Just hit publish after changing the color of the link. Then let's go back, click X, So we're gonna go back to this page. So you see on the page it says the second section of code says add to functions.php. So you're gonna select everything. This will change the word select options to add to cart. I'm gonna copy that, right click copy. Then you're gonna go to the dashboard and you're gonna go to appearance, then theme editor. Then click I understand. Then look for a file called functions.php, must be the second one there, functions.php. And then you're gonna paste it here and you're gonna scroll all the way down and say update file. File is successfully updated. Then go to home, click visit site. Okay, now we're back on the site. As you can see, now it says add to cart, which is perfect. Look how nice it's looking. This is great. So let's click on it. Let's see how it's looking here. It's looking nice and black. We just need to change the background of this banner here. So just click on customize. And then you go to page settings, which is right here. And you'll see here it says, so you can either put a color here, you can either put like a black color, or you can put a picture. I'm gonna put a background image, the same one that I have, you know, as my banner. So I'm gonna select image, media library, there's that picture. Then let's see how it's looking now. Perfect. Then publish. Let's go back to the home page. Nice, looking very nice. Okay, so now it's time to add a menu here. You know, as you can see, there's no menu, it just says add menu. We want to add like home, my account, and maybe Beatz, you know. So let's go to customize. Scroll all the way down to menus. So we don't have a menu yet, so let's go. We're gonna create a menu. Just click create menu. We're gonna call it top menu, and we're gonna make it the primary menu by clicking there. Then we're gonna select next. So now it's time to add our items to the menu. As you can see right now, the menu has nothing, so click on add items. When I add home page, you will see a home page now will appear on the menu. Then we're gonna add my account. We wanna add also shop, which we will rename into Beatz. And we wanna, well, the cart is already there, so I don't think we'll have to add a cart. So we can add a checkout one as well. So here where it says shop, you can just click on it and just name it Beatz store. As you can see, our menu is appearing here now. Home, my account, Beatz store, checkout. Click publish. Then click close. Click on the X. Okay, so I can click onto my account. So somebody who has bought Beatz from me, that's where they're gonna find their Beatz. So you'll see now when I go to account, it shows me downloads. You know that if somebody bought Beatz from me, they'll find that Beatz in here. And you go to Beatz stores and I show you all the Beatz, but currently you only have like one Beatz. And then you go to checkout. Checkout is if you have any Beatz inside the cart. So let's actually go add a Beatz in the cart. Go back to the home page. Let's add this Beatz into cart. I'm gonna select MP3 lease, add to cart. There we go, the Beatz has been added to cart. So when you go to view cart, you will probably see this Beatz in there. Here's the Beatz that we got in the cart. So you can proceed to purchase, you know, and then it will actually take you whether you're gonna purchase via PayPal or you're gonna purchase via any payment method you've put in. We haven't added any payment method now. Okay, to add the payment method, let's go back to the dashboard and you're gonna add so we'll just make it pay via PayPal. For now, we'll just add a PayPal plugin. So you go to plugins and say add new. and then you search for PayPal. So this is a payment gateway, so you can add PayPal. Then here is it says WooCommerce, check out PayPal gateway, install. It's free to use. Activate it. Okay, then let's go back to WooCommerce. Go to home. Then you're gonna go to setup payments, and you're gonna set up PayPal payments. Just click setup, and you have to connect this to your PayPal account. You know, if you don't know how to make a PayPal account, you can click on the link below. It will take you to PayPal straight. So my PayPal is connecting now. I just need to put in my PayPal email. Just log in with my PayPal. Then I say agree to connect. So then from here now, when I buy, you'll see when I buy a beat, it's gonna be connected to my PayPal. So if I go back to the site, which is here, visit site. Let me go back to the site. Now I can go back to my shopping cart, which is this, and I'll select checkout. Then if I scroll the way down, you see now I have PayPal, you know, so I'll be able to check out through PayPal. I just have to put in my information here and then check out through PayPal. Okay, cool. So let me add one more beat so I can show you how quickly it is to add these beats. So just go to dashboard, and you're gonna go to products, because that's where your beats are. Your beats are at products, because your beats is the product that you're selling. Go to products, and then so here I just click duplicate. So now I'm adding a new beat. So I'm just, instead of creating a new page, I can just duplicate this one. Then now I can change the name. Maybe this one is a little baby type beat. Then I'll just change the name to little baby type beat. And then I'm gonna call it what does little baby usually say? What does he usually say? They all say slime. No, I'll call it roll, I guess. Yeah. And then also if okay, then I'll call the beat roll, and then I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here on the link, so the link can change. Instead of it being the Young Thug beat, the link must be now the little baby beat roll. Click OK. And if there's any information that I have to edit, which I have to edit, let me see, where's that section of the editing of the So I'll also go and change the picture. I'll say remove picture. I'm gonna put a little baby picture which I've downloaded here. Okay, the baby. No, little baby, not the baby. Okay. Then I add that to gallery. Add. And now, so I'm going to select the product, which is already a viable product there. Everything is already selected. Then I'm gonna go to variations. And then this is where I'm gonna add the files. You see it says mp3 is already there, the price is there already. All I have to do is just say downloadable and add the file, which is the little baby file. But I'm not gonna be adding the files for now, because when I take too long, then I'm gonna publish. Okay, now we'll see. I'm gonna go view my. Okay, now let's view how the site is looking. Now we should have two beats there. We should have the little baby beat and the Young Thug beat. There we go. So we just need to put in the little baby picture. I see it's not showing. Just click on it and go and edit it. Edit product picture. I'll probably put it by product gallery. Let's see. Oh yeah, and I said you shouldn't make this mistake. So click set product image. So you need to say select product image. And I'm gonna select from gallery, no, from media library, which is this one. Oh no. So you must just seek. Oh, so I actually put it the wrong place. I'm supposed to put it by set product image. So I'm gonna go all the way down to set product image, which is here. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna select this little baby image, update. I'm gonna say update as well, update the whole product. Then I'm gonna go back to visit site. Then you will see that you're gonna be able to see the stuff now. There we go. There's a little baby type bit and a tag type bit. So yeah, man, that's it for this video. That's what I wanted to show you guys, how to make a bit selling website from scratch, because in this way you own everything. You can have control of which bits to make. So on the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a beat player here. You see right now where little baby is, it could be like a beat player. When you click play and the beat can play, you know what I'm saying? Even here when you click play, the beat should play. So that will be added with a Sonar mp3 player plugin, just like this beat. Let me show another example for this website. So you see on this website right now, if I click play, the beat plays. You know, if I click play, the beat just play. So I will add this on the next video. Please make sure you hit the sub button if you want to get the next video, and shout out to you all for watching this video, and I wish you luck on your beat selling business. But then if you still subscribe to me and watching my videos, you're definitely gonna get rich while making beats. Let's get it. I'm out. Peace.